everybody, this is Nerf Gun Reviewer 331 here today, and today's video is going to be about this chronograph I have behind me. This is the E-9800-X chronograph. I got it in blue because I like blue. Anything in blue, really. And I'm just going to simply test it and see if it's up the par and up the speed with what I'm doing here. So I kind of figured out how this whole setup works. If you want to access different features, you would hit the down arrow as soon as you're, at this screen. You hit the power button a few times to go through different types of measuring. And I have confirmed these will work with regular Nerf darts, such as this. Now for extra proof, let's see if this will work right now. First one was 59 FPS. Now, I like these accurate readings because this is going to make Nerf reviewing so much easier than having to do that wall bounce back test I've always been doing for years. Alright, second one. 45. Oof. Third one. You got stuck. We'll try that again. I didn't even make it through the hole. Ah! That one went through. 66 FPS. Now, obviously this is... there's going to be a lot of missed shots and misfires with certain blasters, like the Warden that I recently reviewed. For example, the Warden, anything that shoots more than one dart at a time is just going to be impossible, or nearly impossible, to try and slow it down, or at least try to accurately get the FPS on it. But I don't know if it'll do it rapid fire. That's my interest on this. Or if for chronographs in general, do you have to do one shot at a time? But furthermore, this is a really nice chronograph. It works. I think it works pretty well in this lighting setting I have here. I did not want to get the chronograph that had the metal bars and then that weird thing, the weird panel on across the two bars. I don't know. I'll throw a picture or something in this video to kind of demonstrate what I'm talking about. But this chronograph I think works for the most part. I don't know if like I said, the lighting I think is good in this room, but I've heard people on many Amazon reviews that say that if you were to use a chronograph in any kind of lighting, it really, or if you wanted to use it in any kind of lighting, you would have to be very careful about different types of lighting. But seeing that I'm using Nerf blasters and Nerf ammo to shoot the darts and try and get a reading, I don't think that won't be necessarily a problem. Now the other thing is I haven't tested this with the rival rounds or the Mega Dart blasters or virtually any others, but what I do know, where did that dart go? Here it is. I do know is these basic elite waffle AccuStrike darts, anything that looks like the diameter of this dart. I found out that this is pretty much half an inch in diameter from one end of the tip, one side of the dart to another, even though this doesn't have sides. But the diameter of this dart is easily half an inch, and that equates to 12.7 millimeters, I think, something like that. Yeah. Oh yeah, because then 25.4 millimeters is an inch. Well, conversion at least. But I'm pretty happy about this chronograph. And that was the other thing. I paid, oh god, it was like $60-$70 for this chronograph. Takes 3 AAA batteries and it's good to go for a while. And so, 62. Oh, so that's not bad. Now, the other thing with this chronograph is if I go here, oh, that's pretty cool. Data playback? Yeah, so data playback, it gives you all the FPS readings that you've done. And they go by pages, and I don't know how many pages you have to go through. It looks like you can go through a lot of pages, 6 at a time, so it's pretty cool. Set memory, auto power off. Ooh. Okay, and it has a backlight. Let's just keep that on. Alright, and so what I'm also doing here is I've modified the weight and caliper to the appropriate measurements. So I don't think I can bring it. Could I bring this closer? Alright, so might be a little hard to see, but right now the arrow's on 6. Oh, come on. There. The arrow's on 6. The weight is, I think, one gram or something like that. 1 gram for the Nerf dart. That's my guess, at least. Or maybe I typed it in wrong. And the caliber of the Nerf dart is 12.7 millimeters. So I was assuming it's in millimeters, like all the others. So that's the reason why I did it that way. So that being said, and also you can also modify these other ones. Like you can go up to, let's see. So it was on default. It was at 1, which was the weight was 1.4, caliber of 5.5, and you can easily modify these calibers and weights to your liking, pretty much. And honestly, this is like a really good chronograph for like what, $60-$70 on Amazon. Probably makes it better, but I mean it's not a requirement. And I just really like this chronograph. It's really, really nice. I like it a lot. And I just like it how you can just go through the different options, the different types of measurements here. So, see if we can bring this a little closer. Yeah, that's pretty cool. So I will definitely be using this more often.